Hey, thanks for popping in, buzzing by. There's some wild lettuce, that'll be later. Hey, it's raining today, and I just wanted to say thanks for everybody who's come by and subscribed.
Happy bees.
So I've had some technical difficulties. I've shot videos, but only the front half has been recording. So I'm going to pull some clips, post that. Some watering stations. Yeah, I'm going to try to post some clips here. Oh, I priced a webcam, exterior webcam that'll have capabilities to generate its own feeds directly, no computer needed, and maybe even let you all remote in and change up the view. So look for that possibly next week. Right now it's raining, as I said, so won't be much in the way of cracking these open. Plus these are all due for an inspection, but it's only been a week. And I have looked in the Ned, and it's just kind of chugging along, not exploding. None of these here are really exploding. These seem to be just pacing. They don't get the full sun, that might be why. But they can turn and explode any second. The ones in the other yard, you'll see here in the video, I did move Happy Feet to a new box. So they went from double 5 to double 10. Plus I put a grafting frame in. And I was going to try to move some larvae today. I think it's just going to be too wet. Tomorrow will be like the last day. I could do that. And if I don't, they should still make a few queens on their own. But I wanted to try to graft some to have backups. Sorry I'm in the shadow here. But anyway, enjoy the clips, and we'll get some full videos going. Yeah, I'm reluctant to buy new SIM cards. I've misplaced 2 SIM cards for these phones, which would allow for long videos. And I just don't want to spend the money, because then I'll find them, and then it won't be all bad, but you know how it is. It seems like a waste, and I should be able to find them. A little TMI. But you know, we get in our own way sometimes. Maybe that's more the point. And just keep pressing forward anyway. Enjoy. That's not bee crap, that's propolis. I don't know what they're doing. Same as the last bees that were in this box. I seem to feel painting is not good enough.
Here we are over at the flower hive.
Daytime, nighttime, daytime, nighttime. If you don't understand that reference, look it up. So I'm going to go up here in the top and see if I can pull any frames out that are capped honey. And got my really cool cowboy top hood, yeah. And it's very nice. A little heavy, but I like it. And then I got my Pronic box here. I'm just going to use to slap frames in. And we'll see what happens. Doing clips because the video quality is better until I get another solution lined up. So we'll check in here in a minute. So the bumblebee's back and thoroughly confused. I elected to take beeswax and cram up the hole, and with my hive tool kept cramming it till it take no more beeswax. And then I turned the box around, so that's actually on the other side. So now this bee here just trying to figure out what the hell is going on. And then, so that's on the other side. What that bee's looking for is that hole there. I'll send a picture. And now it's in my face. I hope I didn't just lead it to it. Yeah, don't mess with the bumblebees. What I did though, a lot of freshly laid out eggs. They said that wouldn't fit in there unless I throw a super on there, which I may do tomorrow anyway. I took the queen back over to the other hive. And because that other hive is completely devoid of anything capped or eggs or brood or anything. So there's nothing over in the flower hive in the way of queen. So I took the old queen back and she crawled right in. And then these bees should make a queen out of one of the many eggs that the queen laid out today that were standing straight up. And hopefully also, as a fringe benefit of being queenless, maybe they'll be more defensive and drive off this bumblebee. So, if I don't swat it first. So we will see what happens. But yeah, we'll just hang on to this till I decide if I'm going to... I'd really like to try tomorrow to graft 5 eggs in there, just as insurance policy. But it's too late tonight, and this bumblebee is giving me fits anyway. So I didn't find any completely capped frames like I was hoped a couple days sooner. But then I went to this top box. I got some cap brood, some larvae, probably some eggs. Didn't really see the queen. I need to make a box for them. They're not quite out of room, but soon. And we'll look at this bottom box to see if I see a queen or something, or eggs, or what I see. And it's only been a couple days, but I have another hive. I might want to steal a frame of brood out of this floor. I'm not quite sure. It's rocking, so I don't know. It's not a very good view. About like that. Our gal. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this in here. A little tweaky weaky. Actually, guess I'll move this to the right of the camera here. I got some comb I pulled off. Set over here. Call some burr comb from earlier. So, in weird places on the frame that make it difficult to get apart and such. I'm going to tip this. And, oh my goodness, so. As usual, box of bees. Let's see what we got in there. And I always like to go from this far side. I'm going to go slow. And cross comb I'm going to try to leave. On the back side I've got nectar, pollen. On this side I've got nectar and pollen, pretty thin, and a couple queen cells, or cups anyway. Neither one is occupied. A little thin on the brood on this frame, so there's a few cat broods. Kind of looking for the queen. But I'm not destroying those queen cups yet. Oops, squished the bee. Squished another bee. Hopefully not the queen. Alright. Somebody would have put that on a hook on the side. Green feels light. So, plenty of eggs. Cat brood. Plenty of cat brood. Handle this over the hive in case the queen jumps down. Alright, looking for the queen, looking for eggs. Cat brood, a couple drone cells. This hive was noisy when I walked up to it. Population looks a little thin to me. Didn't see the queen on that one. Brood, hatch brood, backfill.